Brown v. Board of Education. Brown v. Board of Education started as a case between Oliver Brown and the Topeka, Kansas Board of Education. Brown filed the case because his child was not allowed to attend a white school, which he felt was unconstitutional. In 1952, the Supreme Court heard 5 separate cases on school segregation. Those cases were Briggs v. Elliott, Bula v. Gebhardt and Belton v. Gebhardt, Davis v. County School Board of Prince Edward County, Bowling v. Sharp, and Brown v. Board of Education. Thurgood Marshall, who would later become the first black justice of the court, was the chief plaintiff. He argued that segregation of schools was inherently unequal. Unfortunately, the 3-judge panel disagreed and decided in favor of the school boards. Marshall was forced to take the cases to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court consolidated all 5 cases under the name Brown v. Board of Education. Marshall once again fought for equality, saying that segregation of schools violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. Because the Supreme Court wasn't able to reach a decision, they scheduled another hearing for December of 1953. When they met again, due to the old one passing away, there was a new Chief Justice, named Earl Warren. As Chief Justice, Warren was able to bring the court to a unanimous decision. In 1954, the court stated, "We conclude that in the field of public education, the doctrine of separate but equal has no place. Separate educational facilities are inherently unequal." Unfortunately, many schools were slow to desegregate, which forced the court's ruling in Brown 2, which said that schools must integrate with all deliberate speed. Though it was still years later before African Americans were treated with the same respect white people were, Brown v. Board of Education was a huge leap forward in the civil rights movement. Because of this case, children of all races and nationalities have the same opportunity for education today.
Created using Powtoon.